Have you ever heard about chakalaka? Well, it's a very popular South African dish that is made with lots of vegetables, and the key ingredient is baked beans. The recipe will take around 15 minutes to prepare, and the outcome is going to be amazing and very flavorful. For the recipe, you'll need 1 can of baked beans, some assorted peppers, coriander, grated carrots, onions, garlic, tomato paste, sugar, cooking oil, and a few spices. That is oregano, black pepper, cayenne powder, and curry powder. I'm going to get straight into cooking. So I'm going to place a small pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The good thing about the recipe is that the baked beans are ready to make this delicious chakalaka, so the recipe is going to be very fast. Cook the onions until soft and the garlic is fragrant. That is going to take around a minute. Immediately the garlic hits the cooking oil, it's going to get very flavorful, so the kitchen is going to be smelling so good. When the onions are ready, I'm going to add in the rest of the vegetables. So I'm going to add in my carrots, assorted peppers, tomato paste, stir in everything and reduce the flames to low. Add in your spices, salt for seasoning, stir in the seasoning, and just look how vibrant the chakalaka is looking. At this point, everything looks very colorful and vibrant, so I'm going to be cooking for an extra 1 minute before I add in my baked beans. This is to cook the tomato paste and let the vegetables soak in all the seasoning that we added. When everything is ready, I'm going to add in my baked beans, stir in, and wow. Lastly, I'm going to add in my sugar, which is going to stabilize the acidity of the tomato paste. Stir in the sugar and cook for 5 minutes over medium-low flame. When my chakalaka is ready, I'm going to add in some coriander to add in some flavor and also to garnish the chakalaka. Put out the flames, stir in everything, and my oh my, just look at this. When ready, I'm going to serve my chakalaka to show you how gorgeous and delicious it's looking. This recipe is for 3 people, and you can serve chakalaka as a side dish, maybe over some pap. And if you don't know how to make pap, you can check up here or in the description box for the full recipe. You can also serve over breakfast or as a main dish, and it's going to be so good and delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing recipe.